She wants you, Daddy. Take a picture of yourself.
I will. It's weird, the light looks brighter on the snow on the ground than the light actually does on the ground.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you proved my point that I wanted you to prove.
Hey, look. Look how Louise is in the snow. Couldn't even see him.
That's all silly. All you see is a...
He's finding a rabbit dropping, isn't there?
Why are they barking? Quiet, guys! They will shut up for about 2 seconds. They are cute out there in that snow. Look at Kenna go! Oh, look at her! Look at Kenna go! Oh my gosh! Oh, was that cute? She was running. She never runs. Hi, Sophia. She wants her picture taken. Oh. Yeah, she's cute too, you know. Real cute. You're vocal. She's silly. I love her. She's cute. Look, you're cute. Love her, love her, love her. Yeah. It's your grass. That's yours. Yeah, that's yours. She got nervous. Sophia. Well, don't get lazy and silly. Quit.
Get the rabbit. Go get it.
See these fish today? Yeah, there's a fish.
Get it.
They have babies. Look. Look in the light. No, you scared it. It was over trying. They're all trying to see that big fat fish. It was over trying to suck up the warmth. Did you see that?
No.
Oh, there's a baby fish. The frogs are humping or what? The hell?
No.
Oh wow, Tiny's getting big.
What are they doing? Oh, they were by the heat. I better put it back.
Oh, they all were. Oh, the fish were too.
That's what they're doing.
No